say I got a little carried away here. With all of the gears done and the crankshaft in, it was time to do a test fit, and it was so glorious. So here's the current machine. It's all built up out of solid 2x4s and construction grade plywood. I intentionally made this base very, very strong so that it would be able to not shake when I'm cranking it, and so that it would be very stable. I installed these triangles to further help with that. Now for the gears. This is, I believe, 38 inches. It is driven by this gear here, and there are a few more gears that have yet to be attached. Next up is the big programming wheel, which is going to attach directly to this and come over to about here. This will be very similar to Martin's design on the Marble Machine X. 120 rotations of this crank will spin this wheel once. At our current design, this gives us 120 beats, with a quarter, eighth, and 16th note that I can play. So I can do a really nice... So that's basically it for this installment of the Marble Machine updates. I will let you guys know very soon when the programming wheel is ordered, and I will show you when it gets in. This has been a really fun installment, a really fun process, and I'd like to give a huge shout out to the Wintergatan community on Discord. They've been super helpful and super awesome and nice about any stupid issues I have with this because of my own stupidity. But you know, thanks. That's all for now. I'll see you next time.